What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Ford Escape. So you'll need to be in the vehicle with it either running or the ignition in the on position. Then we're going to be using these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So the first thing I'm going to do is press the menu button right here. And that's going to take me to this screen on the dash. From the menu, I'm going to use this button here to scroll down and scroll down until we have vehicle maintenance highlighted. Then I'm going to press this button in for OK. And that's going to take me to this screen that shows the tire pressure, oil life. What I'm going to do is scroll down until oil life is highlighted and then press OK. And then it shows our remaining oil life. You can see this one's not quite in need of it, but we'll still go through the reset. So in order to reset, once we're on this screen, we're going to press and hold down the OK button. So press and hold that button down. And then as you can see there, it's been reset. And then to get back out to the main screen, you'll just hit this back button a few times. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.